My father was always a woodworker, and we'd always been caravanning. We'd hired caravans to go away at Christmas time. So Dad said, I think we might build a caravan.
And it started from there. We finished up being the largest towbar manufacturer in Australia.
You and I have known each other a long, long time. When did you start in the industry?
Well, I started in the industry in '55.
I think I was one of the few people that attended the very first meeting that was the start of the Caravan Association. And Keith Windsor, who was the editor of a magazine called Motor Manual, he chaired that meeting.
I went off to the first meeting as well, 1952. Don Robertson was elected president. I remember the first caravan show. We actually all put a caravan on the back of our car and went into town, you know, and towed caravans around.
The very first one was held at the old Worth Circus site before it moved to the exhibition buildings.
It was actually very good. I don't think I'd ever been in a caravan yard. A caravan show was new and had never been held in Victoria before that.